Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to crop your picture on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the gallery button down below and select the picture that you want to edit. After that, slide to the right side of the screen till you find this crop button, and here you can crop your picture by positioning this frame to the relevant part that you want to crop. So here you can see how it looks like. You have the chance to rotate it by the help of this section below the picture, and if you want to crop the picture according to these presets, tap on this button in the right side corner of the screen. Here you can find the original frame, then you have the square option, the one for stories, for Instagram, Twitter. You have these other options that you can choose from. If you want to reset it to the original copy, click on the reset button and you will be able to see how the original looks like. So feel free to zoom in and out and position this frame to the right part that you want to crop. So click on the apply button and you will be able to save your picture by tapping on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.